Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Hi Annie, nice to see you. Okay, so I will start for a few minutes to let our friends join in my live stream today. Hi Tariq, hi Abu, welcome back. Okay, so as you see that I show you the daily time frame, and now gold price is still accumulating at the area near EMA 34, right? This is the EMA 34 according to daily time frame, and now it's acting like a dynamic support level. But in today's early Asian session, gold dropped drastically down to $39.25. Okay, and now it's already have a short-term recovery, but in the momentum like this, you can see that the body of the candle is not too big, and it's already forming the upper wick. So that is show you the rejection. The market want to tell you that this is getting rejected by the buyers at the moment. Okay, so I would like to ask you if the signal is okay for you to hear me well in today's live stream. If yes, let's comment okay. Hello, where are you? Okay, thank you so much, Neve. As you are my VAB members that in the gold platinum signal group, we already have a 50 pips running profit for the buy signal at the entry zone 39.69 to 39.67. It just happened before I started my live stream today, but anyway, if you are my VAB members, of course you get a qualified scalping signal to increase your profit today, right? Even though that the market is just challenging for today analysis, but I believe that in the New York session, we can recover mostly. So now the range of gold is just narrow, it's getting narrow anyway. It's just accumulating as this zone. Okay, so let me change the color. All right. This is the gold bright zone. And you can see that the current candlestick is still lying in it's lying in the previous bearish engulfing candlestick. The previous one was forming yesterday, and this is show that very strong bearish momentum happened. So that's why the bearish momentum is still was happening in today's early Asian session. That make gold drop down to 39.30 level. Okay. However, if today market is forming a daily candlestick, and the length and size of that candlestick, of today's candlestick, is to belong in the body of the previous one. I guess that the upcoming for the uptrend will be happened in the near future. Even though that the market is still getting the very strong bearish momentum at the moment, but in the near future, gold is still hold its strong uptrend. If you observe in the big time frame like weekly or monthly, it's just a short-term adjustment, retracement from the peak, from the peak area. And the natural trend of gold is always like the uptrend, but our position must be beautiful. Must be beautiful to enter any qualified scalping signal. That just helps you to maximize your profit as well. Okay, so let's go back to 1 hour chart. And if you want to receive my gold trading plan today, you can join in my community on Telegram by scanning the QR code that I insert on your left side of the chart. Hi Mohammed, hi Harun. Okay, so today, as I can see that it's just less people joining in. I wonder if you are busy or busy with your job, with your work, or I don't know. But I really hope that today we can have another qualified scalping signal to trade together. Hi Webstar, welcome back to my live trading today. So I just finished my brief analysis for the gold market today for you. I also insert the link on my bio. You can copy it and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click it. It will direct you to my community on Telegram. There are 2 ways for you to access to my community on Telegram anyway. I'm always find the best convenient way for you, my dear. Okay, so as you see that in the daily, in a 1 hour time frame, you can see the channel of gold price still heading down, and all the candlestick is still lying below the EMA 200. Right? Okay, I will show you the channel of gold by using this tool. Okay, this is the one. Regression trend. It will show you the direction of gold price moving. There it is. You can see that whenever it touches to above and below border, gold is reversed. Okay, gold reversed to its direction, to its against direction. And now it's finding its way to heading to the higher level around 39.89. So this is gonna be our consideration area. And this is also have 3 conditions for this range. First, that is the border of this of this level of this border. If you lengthen it, stretch it out. Second, we will have EMA. Okay, EMA 89 above here. And the third one is gonna be the previous, yes, resistance level. Okay, resistance level. So there are two factors that it will make this level 39.92 will be our specific level to observe in today's New York session. Alright, so for a few days, gold is still accumulating from the rise. It cannot break. It still cannot break 40.48. Yeah, so far, and that's why. Is this the more factors to support for the bearish momentum or the sellers? And because I still remember that when we have live stream last Monday, and I already told you this double top haters is already happened, and this is the signal for you of the bearish. Yeah, the current uptrend is happening, even though it's have the recover, but however it's still in the short term, and the specific level around 40.45 to 40.48 cannot break out strongly. Yeah. Anyway, that is the good time for us if you want to buy gold. Yeah, buy gold as your real gold, as your investor investing. You can buy a few of them. Okay, because now gold is still accumulating, and just wait when it hits to a bargain price, and you can buy them for your stock. It's like your safe haven access, as always. Yeah, everyone loves gold, right? Alright, so let me check if we have any scalping signal that is gonna be happen for today live stream. So do you have my the same point of view with me? If you for the specific level around 39.92, do you have the same point of view with me? If yes, let's comment. I do. Yeah. So let me know that you are paying your attention to this level as well. 39.92. Okay, and I would like to remind you a bit for today, very, very important news. Yeah, ADP non-farm employment change. Okay, it's gonna be happened at nearly 2 hours later. Even though that U.S. government is just shut down, and it's gonna be a big hit for the market today, because ADP non-farm is one of the most important news of a month. Okay, and besides that, 2 hours later, we will have ISM service PMI. So let's pay attention to this time zone, okay, timeline. And if you still hold any scalping signal near this timeline, yeah, you should consider to handle it. Yeah, to avoid high volatility. It's gonna be happened when news release. Okay, so I wonder if anyone still hold the buy signal at 58 to 56. Hello, are there any VIP members joining in my live stream today? Yeah, near 140 pips is gonna already happened. Hi Bear, welcome back to my live trading today. Nice to see you again. Okay, so Mohammed, you are observing for this specific level as well. Okay, thank you so much. I'm very happy if I have another fellow that have the same point of view with me for today live trading market. Yeah, good to be back too. Yeah, good to see you again too. Have a lovely day, Gold Scalper. So we are friends, right? Because our names is kinda familiar. Best friend. We are all gold lover. Gold trading, gold scalping, gold loving, you know, anything relating to gold. Okay, so you can see that when it touched to EMA 34 and it's having the bearish reaction. So as always, these EMA ribbons will acting like a dynamic support or resistance level. Depending to the locations is the candlestick is. Okay. It's ranging at moment indeed, because this is the overlapping time between London and New York sessions, so it's gonna be some time for the market resting, or we usually call it accumulating. Hello Web Direct, thank you so much for today joining in my live stream today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube and like for today's live stream video. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Love you so much. And yeah, for anyone joining my live stream late today, I would like to remind you there will be 2 timelines for today, 2 special news. Yeah, ADB non-farm and PMI, ISM services PMI. Okay, so if you still open any position near these timelines, you can consider to manage it. And if you want to increase the winning rate, you can refer my VIP signal group. Okay, because when the news happen, that is my favorite time to trade. And you know, sometimes it's just a minute. We can hit more than 300 pips, 400 pips. That's just the normal case. Yeah, normal phenomenon when we trade news. And yesterday, even though that, yeah, let me take a look for the Forex Factory calendar once again. Okay, even though today we do not have any special news, right? But in the late New York session, just in a minute, and my qualified scalping signal hit 600 pips, right? So just be disciplined and yeah, patient with the signal that I provide you on my gold platinum signal group. Surely it will bring you a lot of profit that you will not think about it. Okay. And the positions I want to tell you yesterday is the sell signal. Yeah, at the entry 39.92 to 39.94. What do you think about the news today? Currently, the forecast is a bit higher than the previous. The previous one was the minus. Okay, and that has always also happened for the time that the US government shut down. And even though that the forecast is getting higher than the previous one, however, for me, if today the actual is in positive for USD, but it's not too much. Yeah, you know that the economic of US is still under a lot of doubt from most of investors recently. Yeah, for the flexible policy relating to tax and geopolitical tensions still happened everywhere, especially in the Middle East and Russia, Ukraine. So it's gonna be a supportive for gold price increase in the short term. In the long term. But now with a very powerful selling pressure, yeah, from a lot of buyers, from a lot of sellers. So gold is now facing with a retracement for a short term. We wish you give us also 300 pips in streaming. Why don't you join in my VIP signal group, my dear friends? Just less than $50 a month, and I believe that everyone can afford for this fee. You know, and for the scalping signal profit, you can see the summary table, the summary numbers that I show you on the chart. It's gonna be very effective for your trading result anyway, you know. So just be disciplined to your trading journey and how to control your psychology. It will help you a lot to increase your trading result. Okay, my dear? Okay, so are you excited for today's live stream signal? Yeah, I need more interaction with you. Let's comment yes already if you wish to have a scalping signal today. And I need at least 20 comments for that. Yeah, to prepare for today's live stream signal. Yeah, come on. The speed is, and I will reveal to you it about to the entry zone. So come on, let's do it quickly. At least 20 comments that I will post the signal for you today live stream. Okay, if you don't want to miss the entry for today live stream, quick, let's comment quickly. Yeah, it's just a few comments, and I need at least 20 comments. Yes, or let's go already. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe. Click to the subscribe button for the Nova Scalper YouTube channel. And like for today's live stream video. Okay, thank you so much. And it's about to hit your entry zone. Come on, if you don't want to miss. At least 20 comments, and it's not enough now. It's still not enough. Thank you, Isaac. Okay, so you are always support for my live stream. Thank you. VIP Telegram recommended. Yeah, I see. Because I just have a few minutes to have the live trading with you. You know, normally 1 hour. So let's capitalize my time. Okay. Let's go. Okay, and I see that it's nearly enough. Yeah. Anyone else ready? Anyone ready for today's signal? It's gonna be happened. Thank you. Okay, and now I will show you today. Yeah, today's signal. We will have buy gold at 39.59 to 39.57 down here. And as usual, this is the breakout area that I will consider to enter this scalping signal today. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, to see what is happening at the moment in detail. Okay. Alright, we will base on below. Yeah, this is the our entry zone today. Based on this below wicks, very long below upper wick, very long upper wick, lower wick. Sorry, lower wick is happened right here. So that's why I consider this position. And this is also the breakout area for the previous level, heading to a higher level. Yeah, 39.78. And yes, the game set, get ready, and good luck. Okay, and let me change into the blue one, yeah, to indicate this is the support level, and we follow buyers for this price zone. It's about heading to our entry zone, everyone. Once a week, I only have the live stream scheduled 3 times a week. Yeah, not every day, because if you follow me long enough, you will know that I'm very busy for a day. More than 14 hours observing the chart, doing analysis, and preparing the video, preparing information, yeah, to post it on my channel. There is a dozen of work I need to handle every day. So for a week, I can only to arrange 3 times for live stream. Okay, so it's heading down to 59 level. Okay, hang on tight. It's about to hit our entry zone, everyone. Get ready. You can enter small lot. Yeah, enter small lot to get a position first. Yeah, it's that far away, 4 pips only from our entry zone. Okay, lower your trading volume to enter the first position first. So are you in? Are you in for this one, my friend? Yeah, did you get it on time when I advised you to enter 59.4 level? Okay, small lot to enter the first position first. Here we go. Yeah, okay, we had the first entry. And yeah, just divided your trading volume to the appropriate right zone, okay, the entry zone. We have 58. You can close 59 if you enter 59 already. Yeah, if you get a better position, you can close the back one. Okay, it's heading up. Come on, we are now in the overlapping time from the London to New York session, so things is gonna move quickly. So pay attention to your trading platforms as always, okay? And now our signals is getting about 10 pips profit is running so far, everyone. Are you in? Are you in for the current signal? Let's comment to let me know. And if yes, you can you comment your entry zone as well? Price is still having the reaction at our entry zone so far, so it's no have any clear trend at the moment, so we still have times. And anyone you are not getting on time, yeah, you still have a chance to get on board, okay? And I would like to have the congratulations for my friends that who have the positions, the entry zone at 58.4. wait to get to for the better position. Okay, and when the price heading up, you can close the bad position. So that is how I trade as the scalpers. Yeah, okay, you have 58. Okay, that is the good one. Okay, so did you close 59 already? Did you close it? Did you close 59 when it's heading up? Yeah, always remember to do it. Okay, that is will help you a lot to make your psychology calmer. Okay, so we already held another positions like 57.4, and yay, 20 pips profit is running. Congratulations, my friends, for the first 20 pips profit for today's live stream. It's heading up. Come on. $57. Okay, close the bad position, everyone. Close the bad one. Yeah, this will help you avoid the stress out or panic if the price reverses down. Thank you so much, Isaac. So once again, congratulations everyone for today's profit. Hang on tight, you can hold the good positions around 57. Yeah, hold at 57 and close for the all bad positions at 59. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look in the 1 minute time frame to see what is going on. Okay, it's heading down to 58 again. Actually, that's for the bright zone is still having the reactions. You can re-enter if you see it, if you see the price having the better position for you. That's why when we trade real time together, I need your attention to your trading platforms. Oh, hello, are you new to my live stream? If you follow me long enough, you will understand the formula of my take profit. 30 pips close apart, okay, 50 pips, 80 pips, and go on, so on. Yeah, because we do not have too much time. Okay, so this is I show you my formula to calculate the take profit, and for me 30 pips is okay for me to close apart, yeah, of the trade. Okay, so it's still heading down. Okay, thank you so much. Hi Sadiq. Yeah, I hope that you can understand for this take profit formula. Okay, so it's still having the reaction at the entry zone. So when the price heading to 59, did you close it, my friend? When the price heading up, it's the time for you to handle the back position. Yeah, it's not the time for you to FOMO and enter more entry zone. So may I know that did you close the bad positions at 59 already, my friend? We're now looking at 1 minute time frame, so let you see everything moving quickly. Yeah, get rid of the boring anyway. Where are you? I need your comments. Let's interact with me. Hello, anyone else? Okay, you close 60 and keep only 59, 58. That's very good. Because the gold price still having the reactions at our entry zone, so that is the best solution to help you avoid the stretch out when you enter this trade. Okay, it's just dropping down to 57, you know. It's dropping down to 57, and it's better for you to have another entry zone at 57 as well. Yeah, you can consider to enter a small lot at the current price zone. 57 is gonna be a better position for you to enter. Okay, so now it's still showing the struggling between the buyers and seller at this entry zone. So let's be patient. Be patient. Okay, so let me get it smaller. Prefer to wait entry 54. Okay, that's your choice. That's your choice. That is also my stop loss level. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see. How is it gonna be happened at 57? Okay, it's heading back to 59. Yeah. So I still have a lot of faith to my entry, to my signal at the moment. When the price heading to 57, it's time for you to enter a trade. Okay, it's not the time for you to close it. And when the price is heading up, that's time for you to close the bad position. Or the D Microsoft, you can enter small lots. Yeah, back to the market for this scalping signal today. Yeah, back to your luck. Who knows? All of my scalping signal is still based on the technical analysis. Okay, remember for today 2 timelines that it's gonna be having 2 important news. One is ADP non-farm payrolls and the other one is our ISM service PMI. Indeed. Should I still hold it? Yeah, if you have the entry zone at 57, you can hold it. Just remember to set the stop loss tightly, okay? Hi Neem, did you enter big volume? Did you enter with a big trading volume? Why do you hurt bit fast? Why? What was it? If you enter with a suitable trading volume, it's gonna be normal. Yeah, because we're trading near to New York session, and when we're heading to New York session, everything getting more severe. Now the speed is still slowly, you know. And remember, discipline and risk management lessons are the two important lessons you need to remember and learn by heart when you enter this trade, this financial market. It's not easy for you at all to make money. Okay, so it's heading to 59. It's time for you to close the bad position. Where should put stop loss? Stop loss at 39.54. I show you here. Yeah, every scalping signal I always show you the stop loss level. Okay. 34. Stop loss and take profits from my scalping signal is based on the risk-reward ratio. Yeah, and first I need to identify the entry zone. After that, I can calculate the stop loss and take profits level by myself. Okay, so I just received the comment of anyone asking to re-enter again. Wasim. Yeah, hi, hello Wasim. Are you still here? Do you re-enter for this live stream signal today again? Are you still here? So it's now the time for the market to accumulating at this area for a while. Where should put stop loss? Okay, so yeah, I just read this comment already. Sorry. Okay, so we need some time, yeah, for the upcoming reaction. And in the 5-minute time frame, you can see that the body of the candle is forming its red, green, red, one by one, and it's forming a support level. It needs to consume this liquidity. Yeah, liquidity here. Okay, so I need a very powerful bullish candlestick happened at the moment. Let's blow up the candlestick, everyone. It's just heading down again. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, so may I know that where is your position for this trade? I hope you enter 57. Yeah, your entry is gonna be 57. I hope so. Like I always remind you, when the price heading up, that's time for you to close the bad position, not the time for you to re-enter. Which is your preferred time to trade? Okay, so it also depends to your location as well. And for my advice, I prefer you to trade for 3 sessions. Yeah, focus on 3 sessions because trading is probability. I cannot make sure that which sessions is gonna be better. Okay, so just reserve for the winning rate for the probability, and if you enter enough scalping signal a day, you can maximize your profit. Yeah, that is the time. That is the only one I can promise to you. And it also depends to the market as well. For the time, for the day, I can get many profit from Asian session. But it's not always happen like this. It's gonna be changing, you know. Okay, so let's focus back to the chart. It's just heading to 60 pips. Oh, sorry, 60 level. And okay, so let me check. Near 30 pips, everyone. Right. Heading up. It's heading up. Okay, congratulations everyone for our first 30 pips. Yeah, because it's already happened, struggling at this support level for a while. And when we had a confirmation of the market by this kind of significant bullish candlestick, and that is the time for you to know that the buyers Yeah, the buyer is coming back to dominating the market for short term. Yeah, it's just temporary. Because in the long term, yeah, average, in the middle term, it just focus on the bearish action. But now we're scalping. We focus on this scalping signal, and this is time for the buyers dominating the market. You know, you can see that the market keep on forming the lower wicks. Yeah, the lower wicks candlestick is kind of significant. So that is the signal for you that the buyers getting winning at the moment. And now you can see that it's heading to our next 40 pips profit. Okay, congratulations everyone. So hello dear Microsoft, do you regret for today's signal that you do not enter? Because I understand that how is the missing feeling is gonna be happened. Yeah, okay, it's heading to 67, 63, yeah, 63 at the moment, so let me check. Okay, our next 60 pips in a second. It's just a blink of an eye, and now we have 60 pips profit. Now moving up to a higher level, you know. And our next target will heading to this 66. Yeah, our next target is gonna be 66, and if you want to hold it to the bigger take profit, you can move your stop loss to break even. Okay, okay, so lovely. What's a lovely comment. Thank you so much, Isaac, for trusting me all the time. Yeah, well, guess the trend. What's your view? So far I still support for the price action. Focus to the price action only, because we're scalpers, you know, quick in, quick out, and it's not always. Yeah, we all know that gold is still facing with the current downtrend, but we still capitalize our profit by observing and have the correct analysis, and that's why we have the buy signal at 59 to 57, you know. And it's touching to EMA 34 and have a temporary bearish reaction. If you want to preserve your capital, the rest of capital, you can move your stop loss to your entry zone. Okay, set the break even. Okay, so everyone having the profit today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the notification whenever I start my live stream schedule. Okay, and don't be late. For today, it's gonna be slowly a bit, but sometimes I will post the signal, yeah, in the beginning of my live stream. So if you don't want to miss it, let's click to the bell button and subscribe for my channel. And you can also refer my signal for the VIP signal group. Okay, less than $50 for a month, and you will maximize your trading profit. Okay, so it's heading down. It's heading up. Nearly 64. Nearly 64. Come on, I'm looking forward for the next 70 pips profit. Okay, hello Bear. Okay, you can hold this. Yeah, you hold this for the bigger take profit. Okay. Touch wood once again. Alright, so in a 1 minute time frame, it's still heading to the higher level, and like I just shared with you, my wish take profits, wishing take profits will be 66. Okay, so yeah, it's having a yeah, no worries for the short-term retracement, you know. Nothing go up forever, so it's gonna be some times for the gold resting before it's heading to the current direction, you know. Another double top painters already happened, and this is gonna be our considered trend line for this one. If we lengthen a bit, yeah, it's gonna be a trend line, and this is gonna be our observation, specific level for our observation. Okay, 66 to 67. Okay, so it's heading to 64, everyone. 65. Oh, so fast, I cannot count on time. Yeah, our next 70 pips. Yeah, that's why I advise you to hold this trade confidently. Okay, come on, it's gonna be hit to our take profit, our full take profit today, full TP. 80 pips. Wow, that's so amazing. Do you love me? Let's comment love golden girl. Yeah, for me, for more motivation to have the qualified scalping signal for you in the near future whenever I have the live stream on YouTube. Love golden girl. And golden girl love you. Hi Jamsan, do you enter for this trade? If not, it's gonna be a big pity for you. Love you Bear, love you Isaac, love you Neem. Okay, 66 officially happened, and 90 pips profit, and 10 pips left. It's gonna be hit 100 taken profit pips. Let's see it's gonna be happened or not. Okay, it just hit to 66 and dropping down, but let's see how is it gonna be happened. Hello golden girl, love you. And if you want to receive more and more scalping, qualified scalping signal like this, welcome to my VIP signal group. Okay, I always welcome everyone. And I also have the free VIP signal, free community, yeah, on Telegram channel. Wow, it's just dropping drastically from 66.7. Yeah. Okay, so hit to 66, you can close the part. Yeah, it's exactly the positions that I just did the analysis for you. It's gonna have trend line EMA 200, because all the things I did analysis is based on 1 minute time frame, so for me it's not make sure for you. So that's why I do not recommend you to enter the trade for the sell signal at this entry zone. So if you still hold it, close a part of the profit and move your stop loss to the higher level to protect your profit. Okay, instead of just protecting your capital, you can protect your profit as well by moving stop loss to a higher level. Okay, so it's heading back to 66, everyone. Golden girl, love you. How to join VIP? Okay, you can send me the direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to join my VIP signal group. Nova Scalper 86. Yeah, finding me at the username Nova Scalper 86. Come on, I'm looking forward to receive today 100 pips. Yeah, I will type my username. Find me with this username, okay? And I will instruct you how to join my VIP signal. Okay, once again, yeah, can you see it? Can you see it? It just hit. Finally, 100 pips for you. Congratulations all of us for today's big victory signal. And you can see that this trend is officially break. And it's heading to, yeah, very higher level. And it's conquering, gold tend to conquering the previous peak at the 70. 39.70. And I believe that today is gonna be a take profit, big target for you in today's New York session. And remember for the timeline as well, okay? Nearly 2 hours later, ADP non-farm employment change data will be happened. Okay, come on. I need one more 10 pips profit. 110. Is it gonna be happened? 110. Wow, thank you so much. Just close on my entry. Okay, you quit the game, right? Anyway, congratulations for the profits you take. Wow, that's so impressive. Yeah, just observing live stream, get a free signal, and you have a lot of money. Yeah, that's so impressive. And you can spend a part of your profit, yeah, to join in my live stream. Oh, sorry, to join my VIP signal group. Less than $50, that is 48. Yeah, $48, and you will have a lot of qualified scalping signals to trade every day. More than 12 scalping signal. And you know, I wake up so early. Yeah, to set up the scalping signal in the early Asian session until the New York one. Alright, so it just break the trend line and now it's retest. And if you're afraid, you can close and quit this. And if you want to bet to the market, higher your entry. Okay, sorry, higher your stop loss and hold the rest for the further take profit. And it's heading to 70. Yeah, 70 pick is observing for your observation. Okay. I will preserve the win rate more than 80% for a week. You know, calculating profit winning rate by week or month is gonna be help you a lot to maintain your trading psychology in the best way. Okay, so today we are so lucky, right? Touch wood. And there's gonna be a few minutes left that I will end my live stream here. Yeah, my voice is is getting worse because I'm too excited for today's victory. So anyone have a question for me? Feel free to leave at the comment at the chat box and I will reply it. And don't forget to join my live stream this Friday. Yeah, we will continue for our lesson, you know, our lesson for the Forex market. And this is absolutely free because I publish on my YouTube channel. To joining in this market, yeah, this trading journey is very difficult, and you always need a fellow. And I'm here to help you stay away from the scammer and have the correct direction when you choose to trade for this journey, yeah, this trading journey. Hello, Madrivan. Madriva and France. Oh, your name is so long. Okay, thank you so much, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel and like for today's live stream video. And the most important things, I will wait for you in my VIP signal group. Okay, I have two types of VIP signal group. One is focused on gold signal, and another one will be currency pairs. And of course, currency pairs cannot earn a lot of profits like gold market, and it also depends to your decision and to your favorite as well. For hour and daily chart, okay, listen, let me check. So far as having the reaction, the bearish bullish reaction when it touched to EMA 200 below here, and that is also our entry zone as well. And it's forming a lower wick, very long lower wick, and this indicates for the buyers dominating the game. If 4-hour candles close with the bullish momentum, it's gonna be bit, and it's heading to the 39.86. 39.86. And the first pick we need to pay attention to is 39.70, like I just shared with you in the 1 minute time frame. And in today ADP non-farm employment change, in my point of view, it's gonna be a positive news for USD. Okay, positive news for USD. That's gonna be which means it's gonna be bad news for gold. And now it's heading to the higher position to get the bearish one. So the level I just note to you on my live stream today is the level for you to observe in today news trading. Okay, and I believe that gold will recover its bullish momentum soon, very soon, because in today's early Asian session it's already hit to a very bargain price down here, 39.28. It's very bargain price. However, we need to observe for the further reaction of gold when it hits to the specific level, and I will do it for you as long as you just follow my channel, Telegram, YouTube, and my VIP signal group. Okay, I will continue to update the latest news of the market, gold, crypto, forex, okay, and other news relating to geopolitical tensions or other things, and especially for the gold market, And of course, for the qualified scalping signal, it's always to take care very carefully before I post it in my VIP signal group. And also, I am organizing a free course to sharing my trading experience and the lessons for my VIP members only. Those are the private live stream. And if you access to my VIP signal group, you will able to join free for those private live stream session. Okay, so this is just my reminder for you if you want to receive a lot of benefits from me. Okay, so happy for today live stream. And now my signal is keep on heading up, and I will continue to update the status, the result of my scalping signal on my channel on Telegram. And if you want to receive it, you can scan the QR code that I insert on the chart, or you click to the bios, the link I put it in my bio on YouTube. Okay, there are two ways for you to access to my free channel on Telegram. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye and see you at the next live stream. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.